everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great weekend. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today I'm really excited because we're opening up our Ipsy Glam bag for December. So I've had this a few days, but I didn't get the chance to open it until right now because my friend was in town, so I can't wait to see what's in here. I did take a sneak peek at some point, but I honestly don't really remember, so it's kind of a surprise until I see it. If you don't know what Ipsy is, it is a beauty subscription. This costs $12 per month. You get mostly sample size items. Once in a while you do get full size items as well. It always comes in a cute bag. I will link them down below if you're interested in signing up. There's also the Ipsy Plus and the Ipsy Ultimate. The Ipsy Plus is $25 and the Ipsy Ultimate is $50. I will link my past unboxings down below of those if you missed them. But anyways, let's get started. But before we do open this bag, I want to remind you all that I do have a giveaway going on. It ends pretty soon on the 17th, so if you have not yet entered, I will link that down below. The giveaway is contained in my BoxyCharm Premium. So yeah, let's get started. So there are some things outside of the bag, but here is the actual bag itself for this month. It looks pretty similar to the bag I received in my Ipsy Plus, but the color on top is a little different. Like in the Ipsy Plus it was navy blue or like just like royal blue maybe, and this is more like an olive color, but I like the silver. Let's start with what is outside. So there's two sheet masks here from Glam Up. I'm not sure I've used these before. So one of them is skin clarifying. I can use that. My skin's like the worst it's been in so long, and I've been washing it and doing everything you're supposed to. So yeah, I guess I need a little more TLC than I've been doing. So skin clarifying, refreshing peppermint. I don't think I've ever tried a peppermint mask. And the other one is the Glam Up Firming Pomegranate Strengthened Skin Barrier Sheet Mask. So there's a strengthening one, and there is that peppermint clarifying one. Now let's get into the actual bag itself. There should be a piece of paper in here, yep. So the theme for December is Shine On. It says sparkle, shimmer, and shine. This month, let's clink glasses to a year full of diving in, bearing it all, and finding your light. It's time to celebrate how far you've come. And then on the inside, it talks about your product. So for the sheet mask, it says, sheet mask, cocoa, Netflix. Sounds like your kind of silent night. Relax and refresh with a set of two masks, a pomegranate and peppermint. The first boosts your glow and protects your skin with potent antioxidants, and the second purifies pores and refreshes your face with a cooling, minty effect. And then it says tip, splash some warm water on first to help open pores so the ingredients sink in. You can also try applying sheet mask to your décolleté, elbows, and other areas that need a little love. It'll work. After I get done with my sheet masks, I always put them on my chest. I don't know if I've shared that with you guys. It's like a good way, like, because they're still like, are like soaked with that essence, you know? They don't like dry up in the 15 minutes you wear them. So yeah, I put it on my chest afterwards. That's a good tip. Okay. I remember now. So with Ipsy, you get to customize one item per bag, and I chose this one. It is my all-time favorite mascara. I have it on right now. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, and this is a mini. So when I saw this, I had to choose it. I've already gone through a tube of this mascara, and I am worried that my current one will run out soon, because like I said, I wear it every single day. If you pay attention to like what I'm wearing on my face, I leave it in the description box, then you would know that. But so this is in brand, that's like black color. It says this curling lengthening mascara formula does exactly what it says. A single swipe made our lashes look like extensions. How? Tiny clump-free fibers coat each lash for instant volume, while the brand's Orchid Stem Cell Complex boosts growth over time for naturally long lashes. And it says tip, unlike other long-wearing mascaras, the tubing formula goes on with just one coat. Time to remove, it just comes off with a little bit of cleanser and water. It's so easy. It really is so easy, and if you guys have hooded eyes, I would recommend checking out this mascara because since it's a tubing mascara, it like doesn't rub up against like on the top of my eyes, the hooded parts, because normally with other mascaras, I will get some transfer, so this mascara is great for that. I think anyone would like it, but definitely hooded eyes, girls and boys out there, try this. Next up, we have something by Jolie, Luxe Cream Mattes. Is this like a lipstick? Jolie, I don't think I know this brand. Yeah, it says Jolie Cosmetics Luxe Cream Matte in Lavanda. This may be the perfect liquid lip color for creating a party-ready beauty look in a pinch. This ultra creamy liquid keeps your lips healthy thanks to moisturizing shea butter and a jojoba oil. Plus, the velvety violet color is surprisingly versatile, super smooth, and long-lasting. And tip, after filling your lips in with color, use a small brush dipped in concealer to clean up any stray marks around the lips. I probably could have done that today. I'm wearing quite the bold lip. So it's definitely not perfect. I'm trying to tell on the viewfinder. From far away, it doesn't look bad. Ooh, this is like lavender color. That's probably what it's called. Lavanda, if I'm saying that correctly. So it has like a doe foot applicator. It has a scent. Yeah, it smells good. I kind of like cake batter. So let's do a little swatch. Wow, I don't think I have any colors like this in my collection. Maybe like an ABH one that's kind of like that, but it's a little brighter. So I'm excited to try this out soon. And this looks like a full-size lipstick, doesn't it? I'm looking around to see if I have one nearby, but this is pretty big. How much is in here? 2.5 mLs. Yeah, I don't know. Either way, this is a lot of product, and I'm excited to try it out. Next we have something by Tarte. This is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Park Avenue Princess. Okay, I have their Tarte Avenue Princess I think already, but let's see if this is the same. So Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. Let's get this out. Because I have their the Cheek Chisel palette or something like that. I don't know if it has this exact shade. So it's a mini. I love getting minis for stuff like this. Like I've never gone through a bronzer. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna see what I have, if it's the same or not, because if I have it, I'm probably gonna pass it on and put it in a giveaway. Yeah, so here's the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette. I don't know if this exactly matches any of them. I don't know. I'll just swatch it. I'll keep it. I thought I had another one, but I'm not sure where that would be. So, can you see it there? It feels really soft. It looks like there's like a subtle shimmer in there, kind of. And it looks like this would be a good bronzer shade for me. Hopefully it's not too warm, so I am definitely excited to get this. Let's see what it says. So, Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in Park Ave Princess. Get a midsummer glow in the middle of winter with this golden bronzing powder for always on-trend brand Tarte. Made with clarifying, brightening, and soothing Amazonian clay, it goes on silky smooth and blends easily without streaks. The long-wear formula lasts all day and night, no need for touch-ups. It says, tip, dust this golden bronze color on your lids. It makes for a super flattering neutral eyeshadow color. That's a good tip. I'm really excited to get this. I have the Amazonian Clay blush in Party, and I love it so much. I've heard a lot of people on YouTube talking about it too. I think a lot of us have it from like Sephora, like the sample I think some people get for their birthdays. I don't know if I got it that way, or if I got it in like a Sephora Play or another subscription box. I get so many, it's hard to keep track, but I like that formula, so I'm excited to play around with this some more. And also to compare it to this palette. I do like this. I haven't been reaching for it lately, so it's kind of reminding me to do so. Then the last thing in here, this is, what is this? Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner with Keratin for gorgeous, silky smooth hair. I'm so over getting leave-in conditioners, I'm not gonna lie, but it'll come in use, because I do use these every time I shower and wash my hair. So Pure Brazilian Leave-In Conditioner. From flyaways to split ends, cold dry weather can make your hair harder to manage. And if you're dealing with damage from heat styling or dyes, this keratin infused leave-in is for you. Use it to help rebuild broken bonds in your hair shaft for stronger, shinier, smoother, and all-around healthier hair. Tip, before hitting the gym, add this to your hair and then tie it up in a bun. As you sweat, the heat from your head will intensify the conditioner's effects, making a great on-the-go deep treatment. They're actually giving some like good tips this time. I've never even thought about that. I mean, let's get real. I don't really hit the gym, but maybe your girl will start. The new year is coming. We'll have some resolutions or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna try that out. But a lot of times, like the tips with like Ipsy or other boxes too, I like just the directions, you know. So they've given some good tips. So nice. So that is everything. Let's do a quick recap. So here is the bag. And so for $12 we got this bag. And then we got the leave-in conditioner. This is 1 fluid ounce. It's definitely not full size, but it will last a little while. We have 2 sheet masks, which I guess are full size items, right? There's 2 of them. And this may or may not be a full size lippy. I don't know. This is a Jolie Cosmetics liquid lip in Lavandia or Lavanda. That is what it looks like. It doesn't seem like it's completely dried down yet, but I think it's supposed to. And then we have the Tarte Amazonian Clay Park Avenue Princess. I think this is great to get in a box because I do like their formula, but also a lot of people used to rave about this product. Maybe they still do, but I remember hearing about it a lot in the past, so it's exciting that people will be able to get to try that out, me included. And of course, I'm super happy to be getting the Thrive Cosmetics little mascara. It's my favorite mascara. I use it every day. Love it. Highly recommend it. So I think overall this was a really great month. Everything I will use. I mean, I'm not excited about getting leave-in conditioners like I said, but everything else is exciting to me. I love Ipsy. Totally worth the $12 in my opinion. But anyways, you guys have to let me know, are we bag twins or what did you get in your bags? I love hearing what everyone gets and talking about our new products. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unbagging my Ipsy for December with me. I love you so much. I hope you're having a great weekend and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.